Our American democracy and the republic that represents our will is depending on all of us to do our best to select representatives who will uphold the rule of law. And that's important here in Louisville, Kentucky.
I'm here at the Edison Center, which is a city office building here in Louisville, Kentucky that houses a lot of offices, including the County Board of Elections. One of the important issues that the Eddings for Congress campaign is focusing on is the voter ballot, the security of it, making sure that everyone who's registered to vote gets the opportunity to voice their opinion in primaries and general elections.
Freedom and justice delivered. As a candidate for the U.S. Congress, it's important to me that the Commonwealth is in compliance with enforcing our 14th Amendment rights.
It is a great day when doing the right thing transcends all political boundaries and all ideology, and it's an honor and a privilege for me to be able to sign this into law today. It is critical that there is an opportunity for redemption, that there is an opportunity for second chances, because America is a land that was founded on these principles. The greatness and the uniqueness and the beauty and the extraordinary nature of America itself is based on the fact that we do give people an opportunity for redemption. This is now officially law, ladies and gentlemen. Outstanding.
We all sin and need forgiveness from our families, our friends, and our Creator. I think about that fundamental truth when I think about the many men and women I've met over the years who've made a mistake in their youth, often born out of immaturity, desperation, or increasingly addiction. They paid for that mistake through the criminal justice system, completed their sentence, and worked hard to return to society. Let me be clear, the order that I'm going to sign today applies to Kentuckians who have committed non-violent offenses.
Let's go in here and let's ask the staff there how they're dealing with the restoration of felon rights here in Jefferson County.
Our county clerk in Kentucky's Jefferson County, they have a great customer service setup where they accommodate walk-ins and phone calls during normal business hours. And I found that they try their best to be impartial and professional. But as a person who's active in community, I may know more than most. But the question is, how does it appear from the average everyday worker or voter? Just as I had feared, the different divisions of government at the local, state, and federal level have not been well aligned. And though new laws have been implemented, the public information campaign for how to take advantage of these new restorative rights hasn't been lined out for the average everyday voter. And this is a problem. But Eddings for Congress is interested in helping to streamline the solution.
Voter registration is a process that sometimes can be confounding for folks who've never done it before. Typically, you come here to the election center, you fill out a very brief postcard. It's already oftentimes stamped with the address where you mail the registration in. You have to add postage, or you can bring it to the election center. And I gotta tell you, they've been great here since I've arrived. You know, normally there are people here at the counter who are ready to help you in a moment's notice. So that's exciting about Jefferson County, that we've got a group of people in place who are well-trained, who really understand how to make your rights available and easy. The challenges just come in when we're exploring, trying to implement the ins and outs of criminal justice reform. If you've had a felony in the past, a lot of other states automatically restore your right to vote. But here in Kentucky, historically, that right has to be reassigned to you after you have served your time and when you decide that you want to exercise that right. So I encourage you guys to continue checking out the story as it continues.
And visit our website, waymaneddings.com,